Ya, saudara-saudara sekalian, inilah hujan es yang terjadi di Madiun. Dan sekarang hujannya sangat mengerikan dengan angin kencang. Dan ini posisi sedang di Jalan Selamat Riyadi. Subhanallah, ini mengerikan sekali. Ini kami berempat berada di kantor MMM Madiun. Semoga
cepat reda.
Kita semua di sini dalam keadaan baik-baik aja. Dan ini tampak butiran es yang ada. Nah, ini tampak teman-teman MMM. Wow.
What your idea about that? Because why you colorful? Kamisan is every kamisan is black.
Yes, I know, but I think I'm conscious about what is this about, what is the protest about, and I think it's very serious and touching matter. But also I think the people that were there, they have joy in themselves also. You know, they were all smiling to each other, even if it's a very difficult subject for them. But I think being together there for them is something important. And so I feel that also the letters, people don't mind if it's full of joy in a way, you know, because this is also the people, they are not violent, they are very peaceful, and they are just standing there. So I think the letters are kind of taking out their characters and energy also, you know, and I think it fits like this.